Hello everyone. In a social stratification, today I am going to teach you features of the caste in India today. Restrictions of the food habits have been relaxed. Caste is not very much association within the hereditary occupation. Exogamy, the constitutions of the Indian removing all the mate all the caste are the equal. Caste panchayat have been entering to the becoming a very weak. Touchable and untouchable is not felt among the literate people. The influencing of the caste system is a slow decreasing. Social interactions and the social relationships has been a establishing of the socials without a seeking. At the caste background, it is not the detectings of the individual's life or it's a freedom, it's a not a barriers of the individual's progress. Industrialization, urbanization, westernizations, etc. Maths of the caste system. What is the meaning of the maths? To be a good for something. Spirit of the cooperation. Definition economics pursuit. Racial purity and influencing of the intellectuals makeup. Integrations of the country. Provisions of the individual functions. Culture diffusions. Next, the demerit of a caste system. What is the meaning of the demerit? It's called a fault. Brands of the mobility of labor, untouchability, sol- solidarity of retreat, wrong man in the occupation, obstacle in national unity, obstacle of the social progress, endemocratic and the promotes of the castration. Social system and the status. What is a status? Basic and the criteria of the social caste. Each the particular social caste has its own particular social behavior, its standard and occupation. हर एक caste की अपनी एक particular social behavior होता है, standard होता है और occupation होता है. It is a culturally defining a group. What is accorded to the particular positions or the status within the populations as a whole the relative positions of the class in the society areas from the degree to the presenting of the teacher to the society. Status is a basic criteria of the social class or in the other words class is a status group. Definition of the social class. A social class in a one or two more or broad groups of the individuals who are ranked by the members of the community socially superior and inferior. मीन्स के सोशल क्लास के एक दो या दो से ज़्यादा लोगों का एक ग्रुप होता है और वो रैंकली members are the community divided like a social superior and inferior positions. Okay. Criteria of the social destination. Criterion of birth, wealth, occupation, quality, and education. Functions of the social classes. There are two types of functions: simplification and motivation and cooperation. In simplification, in the society we deal with the many strangers of all those who are characterized. We cannot be a possibility to know. Therefore, we restoring the particulars of the classifying them and reacting of them and the members of the class. Means के in the society we meet many strangers. That means के एक ऐसे strangers के हमें उसका कुछ भी पता नहीं है और उनका कैरेक्टराइज आइडेंटिफाई करना totally impossible है. That's called a simplification. Motivation and coordination means the presenting which we accorded them unable to class the performing the more readity of the function so the expect for it means के उनको modify करना और उसको present करना. Then the social mobility, meaning and types. Change the social status from one place to the another place. It's called a social mobility. Means के हमारी एक जगह को दूसरी जगह पे replace करना या फिर change करना. That's called a social mobility. For example, a person become a minister from and the ordinary shopkeeper. His status is also enhanced. On the other hand, if the minister lost his job and comes to his old shop, the status enjoyed by him as a minister is lost. Okay. Thus, it can be see the peoples in a society continue to the move up and the down of the status, it's a skill. The status or a class move it, it's called a social mobility. Types of the social mobility. Social mobility is to be distinguished from the migrations which in the move in the geographical areas. Vertical and horizontal mobility, open and closed model mobility, and integrations mobility. Let's see into the briefly. First one is the vertical mobility. Move the any or all the three areas of living, class, occupation and power, involving the status changes. मीन्स के जब हम मूव करते हैं तो उसमें क्या क्या इन्वॉल्व होता है, क्लास, ऑक्यूपेशन, पावर्स, ऑल्सो स्टेटस चेंज, दैट्स कॉल्ड अ वर्टिकल मोबिलिटी. In horizontal mobility, change of the residencies of the job without a status change. हम अपनी जॉब चेंज करते हैं स्टेटस को चेंज किए बिना. फॉर एग्जाम्पल सच एज a teachers leaving the one school to the work in the another school, the post is the same, teacher. Okay. Open and closed modes of mobility. In open system of mobility is referred to the free movement. It is status change, such as the system status can be achieving mobility and it's motivated on the inner. But our closed mobility, also mobility, it's a referred to status based on the birth or the caste when the society established to its members defined to the degree of status on the basis of the sex, religions, and caste. Intergenerations mobility, mobility between a generations, move to the between a father generations and the son generation, both are a different generation, father and son. The son of the farmer, he is now civil servant as a business of the exclusive. मीन्स के फार्मर का जो लड़का होता है वो अभी के दिनों में सिविल सर्वेंट या फिर बिजनेस एक्सेसिव बन सकता है फॉर अ गुड एजुकेशन, गिव अ गुड एजुकेशन. The persons by industrial and social is made by the intergenerational mobility. Thank you.